Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade aloe vera gel. First, choose a healthy, mature aloe vera leaf, preferably from a plant that is at least 2 years old. Wash the leaf well to ensure it is clean. Then, stand the leaf upright in a cup for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the yellow aloe, a natural latex, to drain out, preventing skin irritation. Now, let's extract the pure gel. Begin by carefully trimming the spiky edges from both sides of the leaf. Next, slice the leaf lengthwise down the middle, opening it up like a book. With a spoon, gently scoop out the clear, jelly-like substance. Aim to get as much of the pure gel as possible, leaving behind any green leaf material. Once you have your gel, transfer it to a blender or food processor. Blend it on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds until it reaches a smooth, consistent texture. To extend its shelf life, consider adding a natural preservative. A 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin C powder or a few drops of vitamin E oil works wonderfully, helping your gel stay fresh longer. Your homemade aloe vera gel is now ready to use. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When stored correctly, it will remain fresh for up to 1 week. You can apply this soothing gel directly to your skin for sunburn relief, as a daily moisturizer, or to calm minor irritations. Enjoy the natural benefits of your fresh, homemade gel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.